Are you guys seeing this chart? See this? See this? Do you guys see this? What are we right here at the peak? 1499.91. We've hit an all-time high, guys. If you've been watching this channel, you know that we think we're going to break 2,000 before Valentine's Day. A lot of people think this. I know Ethereum looks expensive today, but it's going to look a lot more expensive tomorrow. Bitcoin used to move the entire market. Now, with retail investors, with GameStop, you see this? All-time high. Doing a slight retrace, but don't you guys get it twisted. Ethereum is going to all-time highs. It's not going under 1,000. I don't see that happening. Not right now. Not right now. It's going to hit 2,000 before it goes under 1,000. You know, before, when Bitcoin was dropping, we didn't think it could get under 750, and it didn't. It really didn't. It really stabilized. It kept climbing slowly higher. Slowly higher. This is just the day chart. Let's take a look at the week chart. See the week chart? Where were we back here? All the way at 1,200. Let's see the month chart. Let's see. Month chart. Easy for you guys to read. 983. 936. We never even got to 750, even when Bitcoin was crashing. You know, but if we go look 3 months ago, you know, that's okay, guys. It's never going to be this cheap again. 3 months ago, we weren't in a bull market. If you go longer, Ethereum was all the way at one point. All the way at one point. I'm saying $100 here, but this is only the 1 year. It used to be like 87 cents during the, not 87 cents, $87 during the after the crash in 2017. It hit all the way down to $87. And it's never going back, guys. It's not going back, and it's breaking all-time highs. You can see right here, it's just been pushing. Even as Bitcoin gets manipulated and the whales push around, Ethereum continues to look good. That's the 1 year chart. That's the 3 month chart. These are healthy gains. And everything's being built on the Ethereum network. ETH 2.0 is coming out. Vitalik has a great community. Ethereum has one of the strongest community. The only community that might be like more active is, you know, Cardano with Charles Hawkinson. And I'm very bullish on Charles Hawkinson because BitBoy Crypto said it best. He said it's like starting a house from scratch and remodeling a house. Remodeling a house is much harder when you have to gut it up. But building a house from scratch, you know, it might take longer, but its foundation is strong. Ethereum, its network is strong. And although they're first to market, they have something that, you know, people don't have, which is, you know, proof of concept. Everyone's already building on the Ethereum network. Uniswap. Everyone's talking about Uniswap. You know, I'm a big believer in Uniswap. Uniswap, the DEX, is built on the Ethereum network. It's built on the Ethereum network. It's not like Binance where, you know, they're built on Binance. BNB is built on Binance. No, Uniswap is the most trades and volume is done on Uniswap, and there's no intermediaries, and it's built on the Ethereum network. That just goes to show how strong and how well they've proven this concept to the people. So, if you guys been watching, we've been talking about this. If you've been watching other crypto people, we've been talking about this. If if you've been distracted by Dogecoin and XRP, look, this is the biggest part of my portfolio. I don't know about you. Like a lot of these other altcoins and you know, big projects that don't have a track record, it's not going to be as stable as this. You're going to be panicking every day because it's going up, down, up, down. And crypto is already volatile as it is. You need to understand what the projects are, the team, the community, how long they've been around. And Ethereum is the #2 coin. It's literally like staring at you saying, hey, buy me, because I'll never be this cheap again. You know? Everyone always thinks it's too late. It's not too late. The entire decentralized finance market is booming. Binance used to have the most trade volume. As an exchange, they did, but Uniswap just changed the game. They changed the game. No intermediaries. And if anyone's been looking at Uniswap, it's down today because people are probably just depositing money into, let's see, Uniswap. This is an account that I handle for one of my close family friends, and I had put a $500 into Uniswap, and I just deposited another $1,000 to buy them more Ethereum. So, you know, I believe in it. My clients believe me when I say it. They trust my opinion, and I'm not here to sell myself. I'm not really trying to take on anybody's portfolio. I'm just here to educate people. And as you can see, Bitcoin's had a little healthy pump. I'm glad it's over 33,000 and never went to like the 27,000s or under 30,000 really. So it's been healthy. It hit 40, came back down, retracing. That's good for the market. Ethereum is just staring at us, waiting to burst out. It hit. It was 9 cents short of 1,500. It's gonna be cracked soon. All right. So I hope you guys listened, and I hope that helped. So, and if you just want to put Ethereum in for a month, you'll still get good returns. But the end game is holding it as long as you can. So hodl, and grab your bag and enjoy the gains. Till next time.